In this tutorial, we'll be taking a look at Bracket's Quick Docs. Quick Docs are a very cool way for us to get a heads up at our CSS styles. To begin, create a new file and save that. We're going to call it test.css. Now, create an empty div tag and just add a display selector. Now press Ctrl-K with your cursor over display. You will see the Quick Docs. So Quick Docs are basically the documentation on the particular CSS display property that you're looking up, and it shows up right inside your browser. As you can see here, for display we have inline grid, inline list item, none, inherit, and quite a few more, with more available here. If we click Read More, it opens a new window with the W3C's official page on the display property. The W3C, or the World Wide Web Consortium, is an organization that basically tends to the management of the internet itself. This documentation on the display property is one small part of what the W3C does. At the moment, Quick Docs only work with CSS selectors. You can't use Quick Docs with JavaScript or HTML at this time. Let's try another Quick Doc. Close this, and we'll just give this a display block. Now, type transform and press Ctrl-K. And here, we'll see all the options for transform. What makes this useful is it also gives us information about the different options that we have. For example, here at skew, it tells us that it specifies a 2D skew. It provides us with the useful information that if a second parameter is not provided, it is assumed to be 0. Well, that's about it for Quick Docs. You can use Quick Docs whenever you're developing CSS.